Alright, so today we're going to be doing the exterior cleaning of the Renault Triber. We did the interiors yesterday. So I'm going to be showing you what and all I'm going to be using for the exterior cleaning today. This is a drying towel, Amazon Basics drying towel. This is pretty large if you see, and it's pretty useful for kind of cleaning your whole car after you wash it. This is basically for drying the towel, drying the car. So I'm using this for drying, and let's just put this aside now. What else? We have the Carnauba Turtle Wax Carnauba Tropical Wash and Wax. This is basically the shampoo that I'm going to prefer, but I also have other shampoos. This is Wavex, and also I have something from StarQ as well. So I'm just going to be using this simultaneously in weeks. So I'll tell you which one is the best. You can probably hit me on Twitter and ask me your questions there. So these are the two. I also have my gloves, new gloves for today, and obviously Vetro Power Auto Glass Protection. We're going to be using this inside and outside the glass, windshield and all the glass areas as well. And we also have something called the ceramic coating, which is hybrid ceramic coating. This is from Turtle Wax again. We're going to be using the polish mix first, and then we're going to give it about 12 hours, and then we're going to come back to the ceramic spray coating, which we're going to use it maybe tomorrow. So this is something that I have, and I also have something for the windshield, which is the wash concentrate. This you can basically replace any other types of fluids that you're going to use in the windshield for your wipers. And I also have a rodent spray. After cleaning the whole vehicle, we're going to be using this. And I have a small shield here. I'll leave all the links for these. So these are some pads for rubbing. Basically, when I'm going to be polishing the whole car, I'm going to be using these, as well as some soft spun, which I'm going to be using when I'm going to clean the car. So this is what I'm going to use when I shampoo the car, and some microfiber cloths as well. So I'll leave all the links for all of this in the description. You can check it out. Even a sponge, which I'm going to use for the tires basically, and some brushes from again Amazon Basics. So that's pretty much it what I have here for cleaning the entire car. And these are the equipments that I'm using. Apart from this, I also have something, a pressure washer basically. So this is basically the StarQ brand W4 Pro, which I'm using with a lot of accessories. So in terms of a pressure washer what I have here is the StarQ W4 Pro, and obviously I need a bucket because the pressure from the tap is pretty high, and I'm having plenty of accessories. This is the extension rod, a foam lance as well to foam the whole car. Let me just put this inside. And I also have some nozzle tips. This is the 90-degree tip, which will help you spray under the car. So you can basically rotate it whichever direction you want. And obviously the spray gun is here. And apart from that, what else do we have here? We also have some nozzle tips. These are different level of nozzle tips which you can use with the extension rod. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to be unlocking this, putting it into the bucket, and we're going to start washing the car. So let's start the washing, and I'll give you some tips when we move out there. Alright guys, so let's start the pre-wash first. So I'm going to be using the normal gun without any attachments for the pre-wash. I'll pre-wash it, and then we'll go into foaming. Alright, so the pre-wash is complete. I'm going to be taking the Carnauba Turtle Wax Tropical Wash and Wax. I'm going to be mixing it in the foam lands. So I'm just going to be taking about that much. So about the first 1.5 bar of liquid. So about that much of water I've filled. Around 750 ml. So I'm just going to give it a good shake. And that's pretty much it. We can just go ahead and connect it. Alright guys, so we've completed the cleaning process. I'm just going to use a simple microfiber cloth to just give it a good rub, because there's still a bit of watermarks left. So we're going to just clean out that, and then we can go into polishing the whole car. So that said, we can start off, we can leave the microfiber cloth here. We'll start with this side and then quickly finish off the whole car. How we're going to do is either do 3 parts here, you can leave it there, and then leave the cloth there, and then have your second one likewise, and then take the first one, hold it from the back here a little bit, and just give it a good pressing here, and then do it this way, so that you kind of do it in a circular motion and kind of apply it across. And so you're done with this. Just leave this here and take the second cloth and just wipe it off. And leave it for about 2 minutes, and then you can rub it off, basically clear it off. So we have completed the bonnet. I'm just going to finish off this part. Do it in straight lines like this, and you'll get a good shine. Alright, so guys, we have waited for 24 hours. In between those hours, I finished a few more things. I used the ProClear tire trim detailer to kind of detail out the entire tires on the left and right sides. Pretty simple, just spray it on the applicator it's provided and kind of complete the whole polishing, and then after a few minutes to half an hour or so, you can wash it and you will get a very neat and polished look on your trims. You can use it on all the plastic surfaces as well, and I also have a windshield wash concentrate, which I have used it on the windshield wiper. I have put it inside here. I cannot show you this, but I've used this in the past and it really works well. So you can use this with the directions provided. The usage instruction is to pour a full 2 caps and pour in the rest of the water to fill the whole windshield wipers. So that is complete. So now we are going to go into the next step. So let's get into that. Alright, so we have completed the ceramic coating on almost all the surfaces, and finally the last step is the glass protection. I'm using Vetro Auto glass protection. This much of liquid, which is about 30 ml, can be good for a full sedan. But for me, I'm just keeping 3 just in case if I need it. I'm going to be spraying outside as well as inside for the glass protection, and this will help you with anti fog, and also it's going to give you a gloss which is going to it's kind of a hybrid ceramic coating, I would say. I don't want to put ceramic coating directly onto the glass because that's a hybrid polish plus wax, so it might kind of interfere with the wipers. So I'm using this. So it's pretty simple. You just open it, spray it onto the surface, and rub it with the provided cloth if you buy that combo, or you can take any microfiber cloth which is not used, not waxed or anything. You have to use a new microfiber cloth and just rub it after spraying it in circular motions. So yeah, let's complete the whole process and come back. Alright, so now we are going to be doing the hybrid wax spray. So before that, it's been almost more than 12 hours. So I'm going to just dust this off because there's some bit of dust that I can see. And then we'll go into the spraying part. Alright, so we've finished all the processes except one, which is the final part. We're going to be spraying the hybrid ceramic solution from Turtle Wax. So it's pretty simple. You just I'll just show you first step on how to do this. After removing all the dust, what you need to do is to just spray 1 or 2 for a 2x2 area and 1 on the cloth, and just rub it off in circular motions, and then turn the cloth other side and then give it a clean rub to wipe off any excess, and that's pretty much it. I'll just show you how this works. So I've taken 1, then just rub it off. Do not put too much of liquid, it's very reactive, so you need to be very careful that you don't put a high amount of liquid, just a small mist spray. So let's complete the whole car and come back. Alright, so we've completed the process. I'm just going to give it a final rub, and we're ready to take it out for a spin. Let's check this out.